And children, what is this period? Social,
EVS
isn't it?
2.
Yes?
EVS 2.
Yes?
Social science.
Sorry?
Social science.
Social science, yes. Which chapter we were learning, you all remember?
Yes.
Yes? What is the chapter we were learning?
History.
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 Yes. You have
History.
learned lots of things last class. You have learned what is potters. You all wrote that, potters and all.
Yes.
Yes, you completed your chapters.
Yes.
Yes. Workbook questions. Till which question have you completed? Huh? Till which question have you completed? Question number 16 you have completed?
Yes.
Yes? Yes. Yes. Okay, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Okay, Anjita, can you answer me? Why are written sources of history important? Anjita, can you tell me? Anjita, unmute and tell the answer. Yes. Written sources, what do they teach us? I cannot hear, dear. Can you speak louder? Ah. One second, one second, one second. One second, okay? Okay. Anjita, you speak now. Anjita, speak.
Written sources of history are important
Yes.
because
Good.
it teaches about famous people
And
famous people.
famous people and places. Okay. Then what else it teaches us? What else it teaches us? One is famous people and places. Then laws of different places. Very good. Thank you, Anjita. Now, tell me, can Vaishnav Shine answer me? Vaishnav, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. How come you will learn about your grandmother? From what all are the sources which you can learn about?
I can learn my
About your
grandmother.
grandmother. By?
Old photographs.
Yeah, from the old photographs. Then?
Stories
Yes.
that people remember.
Remember about your grandmother. Very good. Very good. Can okay. Who can answer me next? Niranjan, can you answer me for that question? There were potters. There is a picture of potters who is making pots, isn't it? Yes. Why he is learning the history for making a pot? Tell me the answer. What can he learn by learning the history?
To make pots.
The materials used to make?
The materials used to make pots.
Pots. Very good. Then, can Joshua Jito answer me why a doctor is learning history? Why a doctor is learning history?
The doctor.
He can learn about different. What? He can learn about different diseases and treatments. Treatments. What is it?
Treatment.
Yes, treatments of the past. Arshika. Unmute. Now, tell me, why a Potter, can you repeat it again? Why a Potter is learning the history?
Potter is making.
I cannot hear, dear. I cannot hear. Is your the thing connected to the system? Is it connected? Speak louder. I cannot hear you again, dear. What is happening? It's unmuted already. Have your earphone connected to the system? Is your earphone connected? Come closer to the device and speak otherwise. Come closer to the device and speak. Come to the near to the phone. Yeah, okay. Oh, she left. Vaishnav, where are you going, Vaishnav? Sit there. Arshika, I'm waiting for you. Okay, Arshika, I'll ask you the next question. By the time you just check your system. Okay. Catherine, can you answer me? Why the Potter is learning the history? Catherine, tell me why the Potter is learning the history?
He can.
Because by learning history, he will understand what he will understand. What he will learn. Who can tell me the answer? Raise your hand. Okay, Ihan, Sudhir, tell me the answer.
He can learn about materials making earlier.
Yes, materials in the used in the past, isn't it? Arshika, still I cannot hear you, dear. You are, even though you are speaking, I can see your lip movements, but I cannot hear you. Okay, there is some trouble with your earphone or headset. Come closer to the device otherwise. You are using a phone, system, laptop, computer, isn't it? So come closer to the device. Come closer to the computer and speak. Let me see whether I can hear. Come near to the computer. Come. Yeah. Okay, I will come later. Janisa, can you tell me why a doctor is learning the past? Janisa, tell me. Janisa left. Tell me why a doctor is learning the past, Janisa. Again, Janisa cannot hear me. Rebecca, can you tell me?
Yes.
Yeah, come on, speak.
The doctor is treating a patient.
Doctor is learning the past to know about, what is it? Know about diseases and also the treatments of the past. Isn't it? Yes? Okay. Arshika, it's okay, dear. You just listen to me. Okay, we will speak in the next class. By that time, you clear your audio. Now, I'll share a board. Check to it. Okay, you can. I hope you can see the page. One second. Okay. I'm going to unmute all. So don't speak much in your device while I'm sharing it. Okay. Now you can see the board. Yes? Yes. Now, who can read the first question? 1 minute. Aiden, can you read me the first question? Yes, I didn't read. Sakshi
visited an old temple
in Konark. Konark is a temple and it's a place, okay, in Odisha. That is a land. That is another state. Odisha is another state like Kerala. Okay. Now continue
type
reading.
of sources of history does the temple belong to? Right? What Sakshi
It is
can
not what,
know?
it is what.
What Sakshi can know about the history of Odisha from that temple?
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Meenakshi, come on, read the answer of it. Meenakshi TS, read the answer. Read the answer, dear. This temple
This temple is an
archaeological,
archaeological
yes,
source of history.
yes,
Sakshi can
no,
know about the
yes, yes. Materials, materials, materials used to
used to make the
temple
temple
and
the art
Odisha.
of
Don't speak in between. Did I used to tell you to write while I am sharing the board? No, isn't it? You will have to write it from the WhatsApp. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, then why you wanted to ask it always? Okay, thank you, Meenakshi. Fayaz Muhammad, can you read it, the answer? Fayaz, can you read the answer? Read the answer. Unmute. Then read the answer, same answer. I just wanted the answer, not the question. This temple. Fayaz, are you reading? Can you able to see the board? Are you able to read? Fayaz.
About the materials
Fayaz doing?
used.
Where Karthik has gone? Okay, Nethi, can you read me the answer? Nethi, unmute and speak. Unmute. Then read the answer. Okay, Nethi, start. This one. This temple
This temple is
is an
is an
archaeological.
archaeological source
Yes.
of
Or it is of history.
history.
Full stop. Then next line. Sakshi
Sakshi can
know
know
about
about the
materials.
materials
Yes.
used
Used
to make the temple and the
art of Odisha. Okay, very good. Thank you, Netik. Now you can mute. And sorry, Karthik is not there. Karthik?
Yes.
Karthik, read me the answer again. Start your video also. Why you have off the video? Okay. Karthik, read me the answer again. This temple.
This temple
And look here on the
this
board.
temple and
Is an. I will read and give you. Repeat behind me. Okay. This temple. Karthik, repeat. This temple
this temple
is an Archaeological
archaeological
source
source
of history.
of history.
Sakshi
Sashi
can
can
know
know
about the materials
about the materials
used
used
to make
to make
the temple
church
and the art of
and orders
and the art of
and all arts
art of
art of
Odisha.
Odisha.
Thank you, Karthik. Jonath, read me the next question, question number 18. Unmute and speak. Yes, speak.
History,
Historians.
historians, and archaeological
Archaeologists.
archaeologists study
Don't drag the words. Study things that
things
are
that are
yeah,
very old.
very good. Now continue. What?
What
It's not what. It is what?
difficult
Difficulty.
difficult
Difficulties.
difficulties
Do.
to
Yeah.
they
Hmm.
face
While.
while
Yes.
studying
Studying. Studying. These.
these things.
Yes.
Look at the given picture
Yes.
to
Right.
write
Yes.
your answer.
Answer. Yeah. What is the answer now? Read the answer also.
This old object
Yes.
can
Yes.
easily
Yes.
break
Break.
while being
Dug. You have already learned digging, isn't it? Dug is a past tense. Okay. Dug.
up or
Yes.
on study
Or. It is or studied. Yeah.
or studied.
Those who cannot see the board, it is because of the connection problem. Wait, it will come up. Deva Binoy. Deva Binoy. Deva. Yeah. Can you read me the 19th question? Question 19. Deva. I cannot hear Deva. Sahil. Sahil.
Yes.
Can you read me the question number 19?
Different the person
This one. Identify
the people
person.
in the picture.
Person in the pictures. Read it again. Identify the person in the pictures.
The
Yes.
pictures.
Who's that person?
Describe.
Who is that person? Is it historians or archaeologist?
Archaeologist.
Yes, archaeologist. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Now, Steny, continue. Next question, the same thing, the next question. Describe her work. Continue.
Describe her work.
Yes. Then arrange
the pictures at her work in the correct
order. The order I have written there on the board. Can you read the answer, Steny?
Yes.
Yes.
This is an
Archaeologist. Read the word completely. This is an archaeologist. Okay. Then she. What is that word? This word. Excavates. We have already learned the word. Isn't it? What is the word? What do you mean by excavates? What do you mean by excavates? Excavate means you are digging very carefully. You are digging very carefully. What do you mean by excavate? Digging very carefully. Okay, excavate.
Excavate to find
Remains. What is it?
remains
Remains. R-E-M-A-I-N-S. Remains means left out, which we find broken pieces or the glasses where we can go and see the balance pieces. Okay, remains. Okay, come on, tell. Remains
remains and
of the past.
the past.
Yes, then next line. She
Describe the remains and notes their
notes their location. What is it?
Location.
Notes their location.
location.
Then she
He
also
also writes
writes, yes,
the history to see
of the site
of the site
where the remains.
where the remains.
Others keep quiet and stop writing. Thank you, Steny. Now listen here. I will read the question and I will read the answer. Now listen carefully. Anjita and all stop writing. I can see. Start writing. Jiva is writing. Stop writing. Shiva Shankaran is feeling sleepy. Don't sleep. Are you feeling hungry? Devaj is sleeping. Devaj, yawning and yawning. Do you feel sleepy, Devaj? Okay. Now, the question is identify the person in the pictures, isn't it? Identify the person in the pictures. What is the picture? A person? Who is the person in that picture? It is the, say louder. Archaeologist, isn't it? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
What she is doing first, you saw this picture. This is the first picture, isn't it? She is digging. She excavates. Digging carefully. What is the word? Excavate. Digging carefully means excavate. To find what? She is digging to find what? The left out pieces by the old human beings, isn't it? So, excavates to find remains. What is that word?
Remain.
Yes, remains of the past. Remains of the
Past.
She describes that
She
after
des-
that, which is the answer, which is the second word, second picture, this one. This is the second picture, isn't it?
Yes.
What she is doing there, she describes the remains and notes their location. What do you mean by location? The places where you get these things. Okay? Okay. There is yes or no? Understood?
Yes.
Then, what is it? After that, what she is doing here in the third picture? She is writing the history of the site. She is writing the history of the
Right.
site. Yes?
Yes.
Isn't it, children? Did you understand what she is doing? What the archaeologist is doing?
Yes.
Yes. First, what she is doing? She is excavating the area. She excavates the place. After that, what she does in the second picture? She writes the, she describes and note the, describes and notes the things it is given there, isn't it? Notes their location. Location means where the place is and where they got that remains from. Got it? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
One second, children, 1 second. Now, after that, what she's doing? She's writing the history of the site. Got it, children? Understood?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Thank you, children. So these are the questions we were learning today. You will have to copy the questions today itself into your notebook. I'll send it, sorry, to your workbook. I'll send it through WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay, don't forget, and you have to learn it by today itself.
Yes.
Children, there was a question number 18. What are the difficult situations archaeologists are facing? I told you before, while they are digging the land, what happens? Sometimes the remains may break. Correct? Yes, that is why they are digging carefully. That is why they are digging carefully. That digging carefully, that word is called as excavate. They are digging very hardly, then what happens? The objects there that will break. So what they does, they will dig carefully, which means as that word is called as excavate. What are the difficulties archaeologists facing? What are the difficulties they are facing? Excavates. The difficulties I am asking, difficulties. These old objects, what are the difficulties? These old objects can easily break while they are digging the land. So what are the difficulties? These old objects easily break. What are the difficulties faced by archaeologists? These old objects easily break while they are digging the place. Okay? Understood? Yes, children? Can we wind up the class? Only 3 questions today which I have given. Okay? So please learn it carefully. Read and write and learn. Okay? Otherwise you will not get those difficult words. Got it, children? So can we wind up? Bye. Bye, dear children.